Welcome to this quick guide on ETFs, or exchange-traded funds. But what exactly are they? Let's break it down in the next few minutes. An ETF is a collection, or fund, that holds a group of assets like stocks, bonds, or commodities, acting like a basket to hold various investments. ETFs are bought and sold on the stock exchange. When you buy an ETF, you own a share of that fund, and its value changes throughout the day. ETFs have several key benefits: low fees, diversification, flexibility. They tend to have lower fees than mutual funds and reduce investment risk. There are several types of ETFs: stock ETFs, bond ETFs, sector ETFs. Each type focuses on different assets or sectors. Investing in ETFs is simple. You can buy them through a brokerage account, making it easy for anyone interested in investing. While ETFs are low cost and flexible, they're not without risk. The value can decrease if the underlying assets perform poorly. Let's quickly recap. ETFs are a basket of assets offering low fees, diversification, and flexibility. But like all investments, they come with risks. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more investing tips. Whether you're new to investing or looking to expand your portfolio, ETFs are a great tool to consider.